Welcome to our final pitch of the flexibility team. You know, that team Donald Trump tweeted about. You still know what we made? We want to build an electrical grid that consists of different supplying systems, such as wind turbines, solar panels, batteries and an energy water storage system. These suppliers are controlled by an electrical management system that ensures different users get their required energy. In our case, the grid provides the energy for the system that extracts sweet, clean water from salt water. This water we want to give to you guys, but maybe I have a better idea. Why don't we use the water for the first Make-a-thon special beer? Okay, let's start with the system. First we connected the solar panels to the grid, so these panels supply the 12 voltage grid with 20 watt. However, a solar panel has a varying voltage that depends on the amount of sun. For this reason, an inverter is required between the solar panel and the grid, so in this case, the grid always has a constant voltage. The solar panels are tested according to the international standards. Second, we assembled the wind turbine as a second supplier. We wanted to use a chair as a construction, but that wasn't allowed. Now it's just an ugly frame. We wanted to test it in the wind, but there was no long energy cable yesterday. Okay, a nice calculation for you engineers. Suppose we need to have power 5 meters from a power socket. How many meters do we need? Yes, at least 30 meters. Just a few hours ago we tested the wind turbine again and it delivers around 40 watt. Third, the batteries were constructed after 2 days. We connected 3 12-volt batteries onto the grid that each delivers 50 watt. The batteries provide energy when it's needed and are charged when there's too much power on the grid. Battery charging and uncharging is controlled via the relays by the controller. The Spanish guy charged the batteries for the first time overnight. We are really happy the building didn't burn down. Fourth, the water storage system. Yeah, it's still in progress, so we will show you it the next year. All these systems provide a water extraction system with power. This water system evaporates the water and collects the clean, sweet water. We real-time tested the water so it wouldn't be dangerous for humankind. We are waiting for the results, because the guy is still under clinical observation. The extracted water is bottled by the bottling carousel.
We hope to see you all tonight, but watch out for the police.